In this tutorial we'll see how you can get Snapchat Plus for free in just a few steps. So let's dive right in. Open the Snapchat app. On the top left, tap your profile picture to open your profile. Now tap the gear icon in the top right to open settings. You'll see Snapchat Plus. Tap it. You'll see two options, subscribe or Snapchat Plus gifts. Open Snapchat Plus gifts. From here you can send a Snapchat Plus gift to other users, and you can also receive a Snapchat Plus gift from others. To check incoming gifts, open gifts received. If someone has gifted you Snapchat Plus, you'll get a notification there, accept the gift and you'll have Snapchat Plus for free. That's it, that's how you can get Snapchat Plus for free legally using gifts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.